Thank you for using the TrainTrack software. In this video, we will be going over the training list, training detail screen, and the associated fields. To access your training list, simply hover over Training and select View Edit. On the training list, you will notice that all of your active training is sorted alphabetically by the training name. To sort by any of the columns, simply press the column header. Pressing it once will sort from Z to A, or greatest to smallest, and pressing it again will sort it from A to Z, or smallest to largest. If you scroll all the way to the bottom of the training list, you will see an option to show the status of inactive. So if you want to see a list of only your inactive training, you can select inactive and then press go. You'll notice that the status will only include inactive training. Oops. To open any training record to the training detail screen, simply click on the training name. On the training detail screen, you will see the training title, the training number. Please note that every record in TrainTrack, as far as training and employee records go, must have their own unique number. You can enter a grace period in this field, which is the number of days employees have before they are past due on a training. You can also enter a description if you would like. Revisions can be managed by clicking the revision link, and there's a separate video for how to add, edit, and delete revisions. You can also set an expiration period and length. So here in the expires in field, you can enter a number of days or months before the training will be required again. And right below, you can select if you are wanting the training to expire every 12 months or 12 days, or you can also leave this field blank, and then the training will not expire unless you either enter an expiration length or period in the future, or if you add a revision and select that retraining is required. You can also select a training type from your list of training types. To manage your training types, you will go to lists and then training types, but there is also a separate video for how to manage your lists. The release date, you can enter a date that is current, past, or future. And this is an important field along with the grace period because this is one of the two ways that TrainTrack calculates due dates. It's going to be either the release date plus the grace period, or the employee's start date plus the grace period, whichever date comes later. You can also select a document or training owner from this dropdown. And if you type in the first few letters of somebody's last name, it will take you to that spot on the list. You can enter the number of hours in this field and select whether or not an exam will be required. Please note that if you check this box off, you will need to create an exam later by going to exam questions. And of course, there is a separate video for how to create exams. If you would like to link a file or upload a file to a training record so your employees can review it before taking an exam, you can paste the link to the file in this field, or if you'd like to upload a file directly from your local drive or computer, you'll click the upload button, choose file, locate the file that you're wanting to upload, and then press the upload button. If you need to change the status of a training from active to inactive, you can do this using this drop down here. And you can also manage children, parent-child modules, and series from the training detail also, but there is a separate video on that as well. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day.